my choppers, if you are looking for a different way to shovel snow, you've got to check out this shovel. Let's open this up and I'll show you why I picked this shovel. This is the Ergie Snow Shovel by Snow Joe, and this is a company that knows shovels. The shovel's going to go together really easy. You do have two handles, a little instruction manual right here, a bag with a few bolts, parts of your handle, and then of course your shovel blade. The stainless steel shafts, which have been coated in this really nice gray paint, has two different parts, and on the bottom of the shovel there's a little peg, and all you have to do is just turn your shovel blade over, put the shovel in, push that down, and then wiggle it in place until you hear it pop. Just like that. And there you go. Your shovel blade is in place, nice and sturdy. If you ever wanted to collapse this down, all you'd have to do is depress that and then wiggle the handle up. So that's the first part right there. Now the next part is going to involve using these screws that they give you. You get 3 of them. One is for attaching the 2 parts of the stainless steel shaft together, and the other 2 screws are for attaching the handles. The smaller of the screws with the turn tab on it is going to fit into the shaft of the shovel. The screw has a square head here, which is going to line up with the square opening here and lock the screw into place. Also, as far as which direction this goes, you're going to put the part that has the handle down near the part that has to get connected. Put your screw or your bolt through, twist it until the squares line up, and then give it a nice little twist to tighten. And your shaft is now securely assembled. The next thing we have to do is install the 2 handles. They install really easy. It doesn't matter which one you put where because they are identical, as are the bolts that connect them. Have to fit the handle in, feed the screw through, make sure it lines up with the square so that it locks, and then put in your knob to turn and twist, and you've got your handle securely attached, just like that. Now we're going to do the same to the top handle. Again, remember when you're feeding the screw through, you want to make sure that it lines up square so that the screw will fit all the way in, and give it a good twist to tighten and secure. And there you have it. Your Ergie Snow Shovel is fully assembled. It went together in about 6 minutes in total. Now, just to give you an idea of height, I'll show you. There I am standing up holding it. I'm 5'6". This is a really comfortable height. The taller you are, the greater of an angle you'll hold it on. But what I like is it's really light, and this alignment of handles feels super comfortable. It's great for shoveling snow. Another thing I think is great about this snow shovel is that it's got a stainless steel blade right here, and this is going to help scrape the snow right down to whatever surface I'm using it on. It is a super comfortable grip on your shovel. It just is a shovel that's better than a standard snow shovel because it's comfortable. And if you're gonna have to shovel a bunch of snow in your driveway, at least this way, when you're holding this shovel, you've got the weight evenly distributed between 2 hands, and it makes it just an easier job to complete. I definitely love this. I'm gonna put it into action because we have lots of snow outside. So let's go over why I bought this shovel one more time. For one, I love the way the weight is distributed across my shoulders. 2, I love the 48-inch shaft. It's really nice for my height, but it would work for somebody much taller than me also. And I love this 18-inch blade. The blade has a stainless steel guard to really help you get down and scrape whatever surface and remove the snow. You can get it right down nice and smooth. And I love that the shovel itself only weighs about 4 pounds. It's great for just about any height of person. The distribution of weight between the 2 handles and allowing me to stand more upright when I'm shoveling is awesome. I can't wait to put this one into action. I definitely think the Ergie by Snow Joe is going to be a family favorite at my house.